blah, blah, blah. Okay, start over. Hi, my name is Christa Hamilton. My astrology business is called Practical Astros. You can find all of my work on practicalastros.com, including where to book a reading for yourself. I am a founding member of the Astera Sophia Kairos Collective. And within that collective, we do all sorts of workshops and lectures and forecasting and events. Outside of the collective, though, I primarily do client reading. So I read astrology charts for people. And just like my business name, I want to give you something practical to use after the reading. So while astrology can be confusing or disorienting or chaotic, it's a language that not everybody knows how to speak or read. That's why you hire a reader to read your own stars, your own chart. And I like to put it into practical terms, words that you understand, and give you some action items and even some schedule and timelines that you can follow after you leave the reading. So if you're interested in getting an astrology reading for major events in your life, even if it's just your birthday and you want to know what your year ahead looks like, if you're considering a move, change of jobs, looking at a love horizon, or just want to kind of shake things up in an artistic sense, or maybe just change your daily grind, you can find pretty much every single life experience within a chart. And the chart is simply a timing mechanism where you can find meaningful changes in time through your astrology. So if you're interested in that, you can check me out, practicalastros.com. You can find me on the socials. I write about things on Substack, and I post videos on all sorts of astrology and astrology adjacent subjects on YouTube. So look for me there. Thanks so much.